Christmas is a season that reminds us of hope, love, and kindness. As we look back on another wonderful year at RAIS, I am grateful for our students, parents, and teachers who make this community truly special. May this Christmas bring joy and peace to each of your families.
Christmas is also a time to reflect and look forward with hope. To our high school students, may you continue to lead with integrity and faith. And to all our RAIS families, may the season fill your hearts with purpose and gratitude. Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. This time of year reminds us how important kindness and compassion are. To our students, keep sharing your smiles, your talents, and your love with others. And to our families, thank you for being such a big part of our caring community. Have a blessed and joyful Christmas. In primary years, we see Christmas through the eyes of our young ones, full of excitement, laughter, and wonder. My wish this season is that we all keep the same joy and innocence in our hearts wherever we go. Merry Christmas from our young learners. From all of us at RAIS, Merry Christmas and a blessed New Year.